In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in ClickFunnels. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, adding visual emphasis to your text can make a significant difference in capturing your audience's attention. We'll go through each step carefully so you can easily add highlights to your text in no time. To begin, let's navigate over to your ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard. You should be quite familiar with this area if you've been using ClickFunnels for any length of time. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to select the specific funnel and page where you want to make your edits. This is crucial because you'll want to make changes that are specific to the context of your own funnel. So, take a moment to find that funnel and page in your list. With the right funnel and page in front of you, look for the Edit Page button. This button is your gateway to making any changes. Once clicked, you'll enter the editor mode. This is where all the magic happens. Now, within the editor, you need to locate the text element you wish to highlight. Clicking on it will allow you to focus your efforts on the specific text that needs some added attention. After selecting the text element, it's time to actually highlight the portion of text that you want to stand out. Simply use your cursor to select or highlight the part of the text you think needs more visibility. By now, you might really be seeing the page come to life as you start customizing its look. With your text highlighted, the next step is to apply background color. For this, you'll need to find the text color icon, which is usually represented by a letter A with a color bar beneath it. Clicking this will give you a palette of colors to choose from. Now, select a color that you feel complements your page design and grabs the attention of your audience. Remember, the color you choose should not just call attention, but should enhance the message you want to convey. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've successfully highlighted your text in ClickFunnels. It's a straightforward process, but as you can see, each step plays an integral part in making your copy more engaging and easier for your audience to digest. Highlighting text strategically can enhance user interaction and focus their attention on the key points you want to communicate. So go ahead, try different colors, see what works best for your funnel, and enjoy the process of making your text elements pop. That wraps up our tutorial for today, a simple yet impactful way to make the most of your ClickFunnels experience. With practice, you'll be able to take full advantage of these features to design attractive and effective pages. Thanks for joining me today, and happy funnel building.